Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, I am hosting the Amaya Raine Day. And Amaya Raine is for any rainbow high doll you would like to show at any size. The challenge this month, which we have every month on the 3rd of the month, was gold or rainbows. And here's the gold, I don't know. I thought this would look different. I had the idea of using the two fabrics together, which I think turned out real cute, except I used the wrong pattern. I used this pattern that I had found online. Actually, let me pull it from here because you might want it for your dolls. It's an 18-inch doll pattern. I found this free on the internet, and this is your bodice. It does have a sleeve on another page and a skirt. I wanted to use this for my Amaya Raine, and because this said 24-inch rainbow high doll clothes patterns, well, I just thought, but anyway, this is how it turned out. I like a tighter fit for my girls. This is just too loose for me, and the darts did not come out right. But all in all, from a distance, you know that 10-foot rule, it's not too bad. I was going to use gold for her shoe strap, but none of this was really metallic, so I went ahead and used the yellow, which I'm not sure I really like because of the yellow stand. But all in all, here she is, ready for the St. Patrick's Day parade. Thank you so much, Dory. This is so much fun every month. Thank you, everyone who participates. If you have a Rainbow High Amaya Raine Day video today, please let me know in the comments. I don't want to miss seeing yours. Thank you everyone who participates in any of the challenges or collabs. It is so much fun, and I get to know you just a little bit better. Thank you, Dory. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.